Welcome to Husaina Tuition Classes. Today's topic is pair of linear equations in two variables, that is standard 10 third chapter. As you know, many students are struggling to solve such type of questions or graphical questions. Today I am here to help them out. See here, the three equations are given. In your textbook you are having this type of question, that is first equation is x plus 2y is equals to 5, 3x plus 5y is equals to 30. Next, 3x plus 4y is equals to 10, 3x plus 4y is equals to 15. Third, x plus y is equals to 7, 3x plus 3y is equals to 21. Now by seeing the equations only, you will come to know which type of graph is this. The standard equation of linear equation in two variables. You know which are the variables? X and y are the variable. And how you can say this is linear equation? Because the power is 1, degree is 1, right? This is the standard equation. So by arranging this equation in standard form, I will get x plus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0, 3x plus 5y minus 13 equal to 0. Now as you know that the coefficient of x is a, the coefficient of y is b, and c is a constant term. So accordingly here a is what? Here 1, b is what? 2, c is what? Minus 5. In the second equation, what is a2? 3. What is b2? 5. What is c2? Minus 30. Now by checking this value, that is a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, you will come to know the nature of the graph. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Now what is a1 here? a1 is 1. What is a2 here? 3. What is b1 here? 2. What is b2 here? 5. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So what type of graph you will get here? Unique solution, means intersecting graph you will get. Okay, one solution, at least one solution you will get. So if you what is consistent equation? This type of equation is a consistent equation which has at least one solution, right? So this equation is a consistent equation. By seeing a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, you will know the nature of the graph, that is it is a unique solution. So you will get a graph of this type only. Second equation is 3x plus 4y is equals to 10, 3x plus 4y is equals to 15. Now according to standard equation, we will get 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. Now a1 here is 3, b1 is 4, c1 is minus 10. What is a2 here, students? Yes, 3, b2 4, c2 minus 15. Now by seeing a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. Okay, now what is a1 here? a1 is 3. What is a2? a2 is 3. What is b1? Is 4. What is b2? Is 4. What is c1? Minus 10. What is c2? Minus 15. So here a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, but b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Do you agree? Okay, by seeing this a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 equal and not equal to c1 upon c2, you will come to know the nature of the graph is parallel, means it does not have any solution, no solution. Solution set is null set. Okay, so what type of graph you will it is a non-consistent. What do you mean by consistent? Consistent means which has at least one solution. You will not get any solution when the nature of the graph is parallel. Okay, the third equation is x plus y is equals to 7, 3x plus 3y is equals to 21. According to standard equation, x plus y minus 7 equal to 0, 3x plus 3y minus 21 equal to 0. Here x plus y minus 7 equal to 0, from this equation you will get 3 as common. Always check whether you are getting any common number or not. Yes, that is your first duty. Yes, 3 common. X plus y minus 7 equal to 0, where 0 upon 3 equal to 0. So first equation is x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Second equation is also x plus y minus 7 equal to 0, because 0 upon 3 is 0. Here what is A1? Student, what is A1 here? 1. What is A2? 1. What is B1? 1. What is B2? 1. What is C1? Minus 7. What is C2? Minus 7. Okay, this again equal to 1. This. So A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. When you get this type of equation, it means you will get a infinitely many common points, a single line. The nature of the graph is a single line, and it is a consistent equation. What do you mean by consistent? Which has at least one solution. So you will get here at least one solution. So this is a consistent equation. Okay students, so by seeing the equation only, you will come to know that what type of graph I have to draw. Whether I have to draw intersecting, parallel, or a single line, that is infinitely many solution graph. Okay, thank you. Video, please like, subscribe my video for such more videos.